So welcome again to Ashi's Book Hub. You already know that I'm reviewing and introducing books to you in this channel. So yeah, I know it's kind of irritating when I say the same line over and over. Don't worry guys, so it's just the front part. So now let's start. I'll give you one little hint. Not Percy Jackson, no. When I tell the hint, don't say Percy Jackson, no. Neither Magnus Chase. So let's go on. This is Riordan verse, of course. When I say like this, you know it's Riordan verse, and written by Riordan, and one of my favorites. Okay. You don't know that what my favorite books are, so don't worry. So this set, I only have a few Percy Jackson books, but after I read this set, I loved the Riordan verse. So hint. Oh, Egyptian. Oh, don't know? Guess. Don't know. It is the set of Riordan verse, Egyptian gods and magicians. Another guess, please? Oh, come on. Okay, it's Kane Chronicles by Riordan. So, yeah, I brought you a video of Percy Jackson, and yeah, after I brought you that video, I got a few more books of Percy Jackson, so I'll bring you another video. Just stay tuned? Yeah. So last time I brought you a short to stay tuned, but this time I'll bring you a part of the video to stay tuned. Okay, now let's start. So I'll give you a small brief summary of what these books consist of. I guess most of you might have read this because this is famous and of course a loving series. Now let's go on. So this is about Egyptian gods and Egyptian magicians. Magicians. Okay, not wizards and wizards, not witches and wizards. It's magicians. Okay, I guess the same thing. But I guess wizards and witches, like in audio, they are supposed to be evil. Okay, let's go on. So this is about Egyptian magicians and they use like hosts for the gods. Okay, guess I can't tell you what's happening, so you'll have to read it. And this is named as Kane because Sadie Kane and Carter Kane, a sister and brother, no, not twins, okay, are the main protagonists of these books. So they record these in a tape recorder, and it seems as Riordan is telling, these recorders are only written in these books. Kinda quite huge books. Okay, now I'll start introducing. Well, this is gonna be a short video, but don't worry. And read this, of course. So the first book is Kane Chronicles, The Red Pyramid. Yeah, don't worry, this is the full set here. Yeah, this is the full set, there's only 3 books. And the second is The Throne of Fire. And the third is The Serpent's Shadow. So in this you see Sadie Kane and Carter Kane. Okay, I'm not sure because this is my edition. This book has many editions. You can take whatever edition you want, but this is the one I got. Okay, so these are the 3 books. So if you like Egypt and if you like some fantasy and adventure and kind of like little teensy bit of horror, you can go on and read Kane Chronicles or else any book in Riordan verse. So now, hope you like my video. Like, subscribe, comment and click that bell icon over there. Oh, and I'll give you a small challenge. So you can comment if you have read Kane Chronicles, you can comment, and also let's say if you like Riordan verse, you can comment that too. So I'm waiting for messages telling that you like Riordan verse and you've read Kane Chronicles. So bye, see you next day.